Okay. Okay, so we're going to learn the thing is called missing numbers, right? So we're trying to find out the missing number in those questions. So boys and girls, I would like you to take a look at the first question. I'm going to make it bigger, okay? So let's take a look at this one. Something 176 times a number equals 31,000, blah, blah, blah. And Jordan, let me tell you, okay? So the last digit has been told you this is 0. Okay, and other than that, it's only have 18 here and 31 here. So everybody, I want you to try to do it. I give you 1 minute to try to do yourself, and I'm going to help you later. OK，我看看小朋友先自己做做看啊。OK， 有小朋友做好的可以发给老师啊。OK，1 minute is up. OK，so let me just give you a little bit hint. Everybody, if this one is 0, Alexander, what is the number here? Can you tell me? If this one's a 0, this one will be what? Is it 0 as well, everybody? Correct? Okay, so now what number times 6 will have a 0 here? Jordan, can you tell me? What number times 6 will have a 0 here?
5.
Very good. Thank you. Eleanor, you know this as well, right? Amelia knows this as well. Very good. 5. 5 times 6 equals 0. Carry over 3. So 5 times 7 equals 35. So here will be 8 and carry over 3. So can you tell me which number here in order to get 18 here? Something times 5 plus 3 equals 18. So a number times 5 plus 3 equals 18. So this number is what? Yeah, Jordan, can you just unmute yourself?
3 plus 3 times 5.
Very good. 3 times 5 equals 15. 15 plus 3 equals 18. Very good. Okay, so now let's take a look at the next one. So in order to get this one, 3,000, 31,000 something. So everybody, maybe here is what? 30 something, correct? Right? So which number times 376 will be 30 something? So here will be a number bigger than 5 or smaller than 5, everybody. Okay, so I'm going to think at least it has to be bigger than 5. But if you put 9 here, that will be too big because 9 times 7 equals 60 something, and 3 times 9 equals 27. 27 plus 6 equals 33. Okay, so I'm going to think about it. A smaller number, like 8. 6 times 8 equals 48. 7 times 8 equals 56. So 0 and carry over 6. So 3 times 8 equals 24. 24 plus 6 equals 30. So the answer is 6913. Get it, everybody? Eleanor and Jordan, do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to clear it. Everybody, I'm going to clear it, and you are going to do it again yourself. Hello, Albert. Okay, so you try to listen to this question, and if you don't understand, it's fine. You can just go back to take a look at the video. But everybody, I want you to, without my help, do it again. Okay, from the very beginning. So do you want me to do it again? Do you want me to say, like, tell you something again? Like, how do we find this one? Okay, so because here is a 0, everybody, I'm going to use a different color because this one's pretty. So this is 0. So because it's times table, so it's here 0 as well, right, Albert, Alexander? So in order to have 0, so what times 6 will have 0? Must be 5.
5.
Right? So 5 times 6 equals 30. So we carry over 3. So 5 times 7 equals 35 plus 3 equals 38. So carry over 3. So what number times 5 plus 3 equals 18? So everybody knows that is 3 times 5 equals 35 plus 3 equals 18. And now we're moving for this one. So this number times 376 equals a 4-digit number, and plus together equals 31,000 something. So I guess here is 3, here's 0. Why? Because 1 plus 1 equals 1, and 3 is here, right? And of course, some students said, maybe we could have 2, 9. Yes, and here must be a number bigger than 2. So for instance, 3. So 3 plus 8, 1, 1. It's still working, right? But easily. So I'm going to just think about the possible answer. Which one's the easiest one? So 3 and 0 will be the easiest one. And I know if I put 9, this one would be too big. It's over 3,000. So I'm going to try 8. So 6 times 8 equals 48. Carry over 4. So 7 times 8 equals 56 plus 4 equals 60. So carry over 6. So 3 times 8 equals 24. So equals 30. So perfectly, it's the right answer. So 9, 1. So 3190. 31960 is the answer. Understand, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, so now if you understood this one, let's move forward to the number 2. Okay, so number 2 is not very hard, but I want you to try to do your best.
Catch我妈妈。
Okay, so I'm not sure if there's anybody know how to do it. So I just want you to take a look at this one. So it's 5. Which one is also 5, everybody? Can you tell?
8 times 5.
This is also 5, correct? Right? Everybody? Albert? Okay, so 5 times what equals 5? So there are actually a lot of possibilities, right? So 3, 1, right?
5.
5, 7, 9, correct?
Yes.
But is it possible to be 9 here?
No.
Here's 9. Here's the smallest is 1. So 15 times 9 must be a 3-digit number. So that's why 9 is not on the list. That also cannot be right because 7 times 15 is 100, but it's also not right. So that means for this number, we could only put 1, 3, and 5. Correct, everybody? Okay. So how about you start to try the different possibilities if it is 5? Okay, everybody, try to do it. Okay, so if here is 5, so 15 times 5 equals 75, right? So everybody, in order to get this one as a 4-digit number, so this number, so 小朋友说，老师，我在这里也写 5 好了。那你看75是不是不够啊？这里没有东西填了，对不对？好了，那说明 Eleanor 这个数字是不是要比5大还是比5小？Is bigger than 5 or smaller than 5?
Bigger.
Very good. So can you give him a number that bigger than 5?
7.
Okay, so Eleanor says 7. So 5 times 7 equals 5. It's 105. Again, it must be a 2-digit number. So 7 is too big. So it needs to be bigger than 5, but smaller than 7. So which number it is?
6.
Very good. Albert, get it? Okay, so 5 times 6 equals 0 and 90. So let's see. 5, 7, and 9. Still not big enough. So that means this 1 is not good enough. Get it? We cannot using 1 here. So who can give me another number? Can we do
3.
But 2, this one will be too big. So maybe we still can use 1 here. But remember, everybody, we said 1, 3, and 5. I heard Eleanor said, how about we try 3? That's a good idea. Let's try 3. But everybody, if 15 times 5 is just too small, then 15 times 3 will be too small as well. So that means this number has to be different. Okay, so 25 times 3 equals what, Jordan?
Equals 75.
Very good.
Still.
So how about this one? I want a number bigger, right? I want a number bigger, but not too big, correct? So if I put 4 here, it will be 100. But if I put 3 here, everybody, that will be too small because 75 plus 75
Same
equals
thing.
25. It's not here. That means 25 is not good enough. Can we change to another number? 3. Get it? Okay, so if it is 3, the only number could be put here is what? 1, 2? No. Everybody, if it is 2, this one will be 70. So 5 is coming from nowhere. Do you understand, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay. Now if this is 3, then this is 3 is not good. So it's not working. So how about 9? We'll put a 1 here. So 95. We put another one here, 95. So the answer is 1045. Get it, everybody? So when you try the numbers way too small, you need to try to find out the bigger numbers, which is good for them. Okay, so now let's move forward. We're learning 2 questions. Now, let's take a look at, let me see. Okay, so I think this question is pretty easy. This question, okay? 340 something times 2 that number equals 1 something something 1 and something 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 and equals 7 something something 1. Very easy. OK， 小朋友们，老师问你们一下啊，300多乘一个什么数可以变成1000多？用脑子先想一想，不要坐在那边就啊吭哧吭哧算。300多，我们随便想啊，这边如果是个0，我们不管它，340乘以1等于340，340乘以2等于680，340乘以3等于1020，340乘以4等于1360，340乘以5等于1700，340乘以6等于2040。所以 the possibility here is only 3, 4, and 5. Do you agree with me, everybody? Do you
Yes.
understood it? Okay, very good. That is a big, huge thing. So that means I can only put 3, 4, and 5 here. Correct, everybody? So
Yes.
what is the next? Try the different possibilities. What if I put 3 here? So I want to ask Amelia, if 3 times what number, the last digit will be 1.
Seven.
Very good. 7. 3 times 7 equals 21, right? So 4 and 0. So 1041, correct? OK, 好，老师现在问你们啊，3乘以这个数嘛，等于一个4位数。现在这个数呢，乘以这个数变成2位数，那你告诉老师，这里只能填哪2个数字 ？Which 2 numbers possible here? Eleanor. So can we put 4 here?
No.
Why? Because 3 times 300 something is already a 4-digit number. In order to make this number 3-digit, we could only put 1 and 2 here. Do you understand, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay, so now can you tell me it is 1 or 2? Okay, can you just text me which one you think is possible, 1 or 2? 不过默默在里面，别人看。咪咪，我们家咪咪可喜欢弹钢琴了，一直在钢琴上待着。这么多。How are you? Okay, everybody, take a look at this one, okay? So this number plus this number need to equals 7. So that means 1 plus what equals 7? 1 plus what equals 7? 6, right? So that means this number times 300 something need to be 600 something. Good job, Alexander. Good job, Eleanor. You make a very good choice. 2 is a possible answer here. Why? Because 2 times 3 equals 6. So 2 times 7 equals 14. So 694. Okay, get it, everybody? Okay, so now this is 8 and 9. But is this the only answer? I'm not sure, right? So let's just try 4. Everybody, just using my way. Is it possible 4 times something equals 1? Because 4 is an even number. Any number times even number will last with the even number. So the only possible answer here is 5. Okay, so is it possible any number times 5 equals 1? Any number times 5, the last digit is only 0 or 5. So that's why the before answer is the only answer possible here. So I'm going to clear everything, and I want you to put all the numbers back to this one again yourself. Remember everything I told you earlier, like 2 minutes ago, and I don't want you to be a fish, okay? Because only fish have 7 seconds memory. Okay, everybody, your turn.
A little high.
Okay, everybody, do you understand how to do it? Do you want me to explain again? If you want, you can just say yes. I want Miss Carrie to explain again because this question is hard. So I need your reply. So Jordan, do you need me to explain again?
No.
Amelia?
Yes.
Yes, you want me to explain again, okay? So first of all, everybody, if 300 something times a number, I can just put 340. So Amelia will ask, why it is 40? Why you cannot be 347? Of course you can do that, but the thing is, 340 is easy, right? So 340 times,
There's no point in making it harder.
yeah, you don't want to make it harder by yourself because it's a guessing, it's an estimate. So
You
everybody,
also don't need to.
okay, so Albert, Eleanor, I want to ask you a very easy question. Why I'm doing this? This is very important, okay, Alexander? Why I'm doing this? The reason I'm doing this is only like these three numbers can make this number, the last digit is 1. The first digit, I'm sorry. Get it? Okay, so that is the reason I'm doing that. So after do that, I know the only thing could be put here is 3, 4, and 5. And actually, no matter which number appears here, I know 4 and 5 cannot be an option. Why? It's because if 4 put it here, so everybody, let's see. 0 times 4 equals 0. 1 times 4 equals 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. 3 times 4 equals 12. And 4 times 4 equals 16. So every number times a 4, the last digit will be even number. But here the last digit is what? Is
1.
Yes, so 4 is not an option. So okay, I cross this one. And can be 5 an option, but 5 here, 你们看啊，5乘以任何数，要么 last digit 是5，
或者0。
或者呢 last digit 是什么？是0，对不对？所以5也不可能，所以这
So 7.
自己啊。Only two. Understood, everybody? Why is only 3? So now 3 times what last digit is 1? Eleanor, tell me. It's 7.
7.
Times 7 equals 21. So 3 times 4 equals 14. 12 plus 2 equals 14. So carry over 1. So 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. So 1040. Okay? So now, because 347 times 3 equals 4-digit number. And this one is a 3-digit number. So I know this number must be smaller than 3. So which is only 1 and 2. But why I focused on 2 is because I see 1 plus what equals 7? 1 plus 6 equals 7. So in order to bring 347 into something with 6, everybody, you can see it is what? It is 2. So 2 times 7 equals 14. Carry over 1. 2 times 4 equals 9. And 3 times 3 equals 6. So the answer is 1897. Get it, everybody? Okay, I think this one's much clearer, right? It's much clearer. So now let's take a look at this one, okay? So this one, I just want to make sure this is not 0, okay? This is a blank. 这是一个空白，哎，不是0啊。OK， 好 ，everybody try to do it yourself. It's division. 我们今天可没有学什么很难的东西啊，都是除法啊、乘法啊，对不对？ OK，好，我们来看一下这个题目啊。So the most important thing is still one, everybody. So 3, this number equals what? Equal this 3 times 30 something. So let me ask you, what times 3 equals the last digit is 1?
Ben.
Very good, 7. So 3 times 37 equals what? 37 times 3 equals 1, 1, 1. So here is 1, 1. So if this number minus 1, 1, 1 equals 0, so this one is also 1, 1. So back, what minus 5 equals 1? 6. What minus 8 equals 1? So 小朋友说，哎，肯定是9嘛，也不一定。Why? It's because if here is, oh, 8, sorry. So here is 7, right? So 100 something. So here must be 1 as well. So here is 9, right? Okay, very good. So 185 divided by 37 equals what? Equals 5. So the answer is 5, 7, 9, 6, 1, 1, 1, 1. Get it, everybody? Jordan, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Amelia, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, Albert,
Yes.
Alexander, Eleanor. Okay, so now let's move forward to this question. This question looks scary, but I think you could do it yourself. Okay. Let's take a look at this one. So this question is actually pretty easy, everybody. They give you the number has been divided. So something times 12 equals 108 or something. So 2 times what? The last digit is 8. There are two numbers, 4 or 9. Correct, everybody? So now I want you to try to tell me it is 4 or 9. 好，小朋友们，when you finished, send it to me which one you think is 4 or 9. You can make a guess if you don't really know how to do it. Alexander, you need to trust yourself. Why you're not very sure. Okay, Amelia think it's 4. Alexander think it's 9. Okay, I'm still waiting for the rest of the student. Eleanor, Albert, I don't know, think it's 4. And Jordan. Okay, Jordan think it's 9. Okay, so Albert, Eleanor, and Amelia think it's 4. And Jordan and Alexander think it's 9. So let's see who get it right. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. So if I put 4 here, so 2 times 4 equals 8, right? And 1 times 4 equals 4. So everybody, where this 1 comes from? Let me see Jordan and Alexander's answer. So 2 times 9 equals 18, carry over 1. And 9 plus 1 equals 9, but carry over 1 equals 108. So congratulations, Jordan and Alexander. You two get it right. Okay, so everybody, if you have these two numbers minus 1, so this one must be 1, right? Because 1 minus 1 equals 0. So that's why this has disappeared. Okay, I don't know which one here, but it's fine. So everybody, 9 times 12 equals 108. And I want you to take a look at this one. This number is equals this one, 12. Okay, so it's 100 something minus these two-digit number equals 4. So can you tell me, is this possible this number will be as big as 9? No, because if it is 9, this number will be a 3-digit number. Very good. So can you give me a number guess? So 8, 96. We can try, okay? So 8 times 12 equals 96. So what minus 96 equals 4? What minus 96 equals 4?
92.
What minus 96 equals 4? 100, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if this is 0, this is also 0, right? Okay, so let me see. So 100 something minus what? Very easy. This is what? 8. 118 minus 108 equals 10. Okay, we have an answer. So now let me see. If it is possible, can we put 7 here? So 7 times 12 equals 84, right? And 84 plus 4 equals 88, but where this one comes from. So that's why the only answer possible is 8. Get it, everybody? Okay, so I'm going to clear it off and I want you to do it from the very beginning again. If you don't know how to do it, you can ask Carrie for help. OK，会不会做小朋友？如果不会做，现在问老师啊，因为现在老师也没有事情干。I'm so boring. 啦啦啦啦啦啦。Amelia, I cannot hear you. Jordan, what are you doing?
How do I send it to you?
Okay, okay, you send it to me.
How
Yeah,
do I send it to you?
by chat. Just
Yeah,
tell.
but how do I do all of the numbers? Come on, I'm just doing anything.
Da di da di da da di da da.
Ugh.
OK，会做了吗，小朋友们？
Yeah, but I don't know how to send it to you.
You just tell me these 2 digits. It's fine, okay? I already told you how to do it. You don't have to send it to me. Okay, so now let's take a look at everybody. So we are going to just take, because my computer is working right now. So Albert is here as well. So everybody, we're going to do the 5 minutes calculation. Okay, everybody? Are you ready to get your paper and everything ready? Because we didn't do it from the very beginning of the class, right? Because my computer is stuck. Everybody get it? Okay, so 1. What are these? Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing, and do you get your paper and everything ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Last 1 minute.做完了发给老师啊，告诉老师 I'm done。Okay, times is up, everybody. So I have received. Okay, okay, good job. OK，数一下你自己做了，一共是50题啊，你就数自己没有做的题目就可以了，好不好？
好。
Eleanor 已经发给我了 ，Jordan 也发给我了。Okay, Albert, good job. Okay, very good. Okay, so Amelia, did you send it to me? How many you did or you done? 还在数吗？
Send it to.
Okay, okay, very good. Okay, so everybody, we're going to today do the last one, okay? So I know today's learning is pretty hard, okay? But we try to do it with all of you. So now let's take a look at the last question, okay, everybody? So this is today's last question. So 60 something times what equals a 2-digit number? The only number could be here is what? Yeah. 老师问你啊，60几，我就算它60好了。60乘以1等于多少？Amelia，60乘以1等于多少
60。
Very good。那60乘以2呢
120。
对了，好了，我问你，这里能不能填2？那这边60乘以2都已经120了，那60乘以3肯定也是3位数啊。那你看60，
只能60乘以。
那只能乘以1，对不对？很好，那这里就是6，对不对？好了，那老师问你，这里是不是2啊？这不一定是6啊，那这里肯定是。好了，这里是不是2？对不对？哦，不对，我写错了，这里是6对。 好了，那老师问你，因为这里是2，这里是不是也是2 ？Because this number dropped, right? So if it is, this is 2, what is the number here? 1 times what equals 62? 1 times 1 times what? 啊，这个不知道啊。1 times what equals 62? 60
1
something
times 62 equals 62.
equals 62. Very good. So 我这里只能填 2, 对不对？好了，那这里能不能填2？也不能填2，只能填什么？ Only number could be here is what? Is
3?
1. 哎 Amelia 怎么 3 啊？你说放这里 3，那3乘以62，这里是个3位数啊。3乘以2等于6， 3乘以6等于18。
能比
这里是个2位数啊，那这里只能填几？Very good. As Jordan said, only 1，所以62。So the answer is 682. Get it, everybody? Okay, so that's the only thing. You need to think about the digit. Okay, so how many digit are there? Okay, 好 ，Jordan 又跑走了。今天我们学的东西有点难的 ，OK? But the thing is, do we learn anything like, 不是加减乘除的，有没有学？没有学，对不对？我们学的都是加减乘除的，对不对？好了，那为什么加减乘除也可以这么难呢？因为里面有很多 logic. Okay, understand? So today, the homework is just all the questions we did in the classroom. I would strongly suggest every single one of you take a look at those questions again, because there are a lot of questions. And ask your parents to print it out for you, and you're going to do it yourself. Understand, everybody?
Understand.
Okay, yeah. So this is very important, okay? So we're going to see each other next week, okay? 如果不懂的，回去看录像，好不好 ，everybody? Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.